welcome back to my channel. Lately I've noticed that you guys are big fans of all of my Lululemon related videos, so today I wanted to do a what's in my bag everywhere fleece belt bag edition. This is the black fleece belt bag. I got this for Christmas. I already own the ivory one, but I use it so much this time of year that of course had to have this one on my wish list, and I'm so excited about this. So before diving into this, if you want to see any of my reviews or what's in my bag videos for any of my other Lululemon bags, I will link all of those videos down below in the description box. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I share a ton of Lululemon related content, and let's get into it. All right, so I like to start with the back of the bag in this little zipper compartment. This is actually where I keep my wallet. So here it is. Super convenient, and I like that that section is extra secure with the zipper, and it's right up against my body when I wear it. So that's what's in there. And moving on to the big compartment, I don't have this like insanely stuffed with items. Sometimes I do put so much stuff in my belt bags, but today's kind of more of like a medium amount. So starting off, I have my sunglasses. I have my portable phone charger. Cannot live without this. I usually need this at least once a day, and I will also link this charger down below. It's from Amazon. It's usually on sale for under $40 and holds multiple charges, so I really love this one. I have my go-to Maybelline lipstick. If you're looking for a new liquid lipstick, highly recommend this one. And then I have a little hairband. Like I said, not too much in here today. Hand sanitizer, and oh, I've been wearing press-on nails from Olive and June, and so I have the little glue in here in case one of them falls off while I'm out and about. And lastly, my AirPods. Normally I would also have my phone in here, and it does fit with all of these items, but I was just recently using my phone, so that's why it's not in there. But that's everything that's in my Everywhere fleece belt bag, in case you were wondering how much stuff fits. As I mentioned, the phone would totally fit in there. It does hold quite a lot. I just didn't have it overly stuffed today. If you have any questions about this belt bag or the regular one, please leave a comment down below and I will gladly get back to you. All of the items I mentioned will be linked down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.